Hello everyone, welcome back to Virtual Lab Infra once again in my Intune MD-102 training series. Today's session we are going to discuss about company branding. So first of all, what is company branding? A company branding is the process of creating a unique identity for an organization so people can easily recognize, trust and remember it. So it includes a logo, name, colors, fonts, tone and messagings, mission and values. So why basically organization uses branding? So recognizing like branding helps people instantly identify the company name. Example: when you see a blue logo or a square icon style, you recognize the Microsoft immediately. Similarly, when you see the logo in the right side like Virtual Lab Infra, this is something one of the logo that I am representing to my channel. Similarly, company or the organization they uses the same concept when we use their products so that people can recognize and remember it. So guys, we're gonna discuss same thing about today's session. We'll see how to configure it and how it looks like when somebody log into the portal. So let's begin. So quickly I'm gonna log into Entra. So company branding configuration we can do it in Entra, but it will reflect in all the portals. So this is, as you can see, once you have the setup ready, you will able to see the similar kind of the wall background and the logo. So let's begin and re restart how to configure the settings. So make sure guys, before setting up this configuration, you should be having a logo ready, a background wallpaper. You can use any kind of wallpaper, but use the perfect ratio of the image so that you will be able to upload it while doing the practice, lab practice. Let me log into my Antra portal. Once you log into the Antra, you'll have to search for company portal in the search bar. In my case, it's already appearing it. Go to company branding. So due to cache, maybe my image and logo was reflecting, but as you can see, I have removed everything. So let's begin it. Let's begin and start from scratch. In the basic tab, you need to use a background image. Then you have to give a color, the background color, how you want the background of your portal. Then you have to attach the logo. You can decide how your portal looks like, whether you want the full screen of background or partial screen of background. Do you want your header to be shown or the hidden? So this kind of a setup or customization you can do. So let's start. Upload background image or choose a background color. So I'm gonna use a background image. So we need 5 KB of file. Background image we can take. Color we can keep something. So this is up to you guys, like you can choose whatever color you like it. So I want my background to be partial screen. Header you can change it. So footer, height footer, okay, that's okay. If you want to keep any header logo, you can keep that as well. Okay, so size should be maximum 10, so we can keep the other picture. You can, if you want, you can display term of use, any terms or condition you want to, or any URL. Let it be username hint. So once the login page comes in, you want to give any hint, you can give that. So let's say so it will be easy for your customer when they are trying to log in. They should be knowing what exactly email ID needs to be used. So which email ID they should use, they can see by hint. If you have any sign in page test, you should be the authorized authorized user to log in to. This is one of the example, guys. You can use organization. They are using similar kind. This is not needed. Same. Let's refresh or log out and log in back to see if our logo and image is reflecting. So let me use this intune.admin email ID. So as we can see, it's very small and the logo is appearing in the header and the background has been changed and it's showing as message you should be authorized user to log into this domain. So looks like the customization is reflecting now in the portal. So this is how, guys, you can set up a branding for your portals. You can try and let me know if you face any kind of issues. You can comment in the comment section and do let me know. So this is one of the important setup that every company and organization follow. So that brings us to the end of the session. So in this video, we learn how to configure company branding in Microsoft Entra and Intune, including uploading organization logo, customize the sign-in experience, and improving the overall user interface for enrolled devices. So this is an important setup for creating a professional and trusted environment for your organization, and it's also key topic for MD-102 Endpoint Administrator certifications. In the next session, we will continue with more hands-on Intune configuration and real-world lab scenarios. If you found this, if you found this session helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel Virtual Lab Infra, and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming Intune training series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.